Every face you see at WinTech is an owner of this company. That's why we get out of bed every morning and come to work, to try to build a better life. As a company, we're going to grow. Technology is going to be a big part of that. In some senses, it's going to be an overwhelming part. So we had to make a commitment to that. That's when we kind of turned the corner. We really could not bring in all the staff that was required to cover all the bases. One security slip could wipe out a year's profits for this small business, and we just couldn't risk that. So we had to bring somebody in. The reliability that JMARK has brought to this has just been phenomenal. They maintain budget information for us. They give us reliability, the scalability of our shop. We get notification of we've got a failure before we even realize it. We've got a 24/7 umbrella that we've come to depend on, and we have yet to find a failure in it.